Hi. Today we will see how to use the split text-to-column feature in Microsoft Excel. Let's start. I have opened an Excel sheet here. In this column, I have some data. We have a few names, in namespace surname format. Like, John space Cena. Under space Taker. Etc. Now, what I want to split the data in these cells into two separate columns. One column should get names. And another column should get surnames. Let's see how to do that. First of all, select all this data. Click the Data option here. And click the Split Text to Columns option. Such a window will appear. Here, you can select the criteria for splitting the words. Since we want to split the words on the basis of a space, we will select this space option. In the preview itself you can see that the words have been split. Click Apply. Magic. Now the names have been split between two separate columns on the basis of names and surnames. Now, imagine if, instead of spaces, we had commas between the words. So here we have John, Cena. Under comma Taker. Etc. So now, we want to split these words on the basis of a comma. Again, select all this data. Click the Data option here. Click the Click Split Text to Columns option. And in this panel, select the comma option. And click Apply. Magic again. The words were split into two columns on the basis of a comma. Now, what if the separator between the two words is something unusual? Like a symbol? For example, look here. Now, between two words we have an @ sign. Like, John @Cena. How to split these words? Let's see. Select all this data. Click the Data button here. Click the Split Text to Columns option. And now, select this Custom option. And in this box, write the word separator. Since we want to separate the words on the basis of an @ sign, I will write that symbol here. And click Apply. Magic! The words were split into two separate columns on the basis of @ symbol. So that's it. That's how you can use the Split Text to Columns option in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.